Hey Alex, so I just wanted to go over this list that I'm sending you for the SEO. So in here, you can see there's a couple of different keywords you are currently ranking for on these specific pages, and that's what the Excel spreadsheet will show you. It'll show you how close you are to ranking for the keywords and by keyword, and then it'll show you the URL that you are ranking for that keyword on. And so all of these pages basically need a little bit more content around with the keyword involved in it. And then backlinks, there's a company I recommend for backlinks that'll help increase your rankings, especially on these ones that are under 10 or 11. And I have a calculator for you that basically gives you the value of what that was worth, barring that people purchase. So barring that there's not some sort of issue with the pages that you're driving traffic to, then it calculates what your returns would be for ranking for that keyword. And you can see there's a couple here like the razor, the 48 volts UTM or UTV-MX, and the 24 volts ride on, where these are you're pretty close to ranking well, like number one for them. Once you rank number one from an organic perspective, it's actually super cheap to buy keywords so that you show up in a Google search for, like, let's say, so you could show up here, right, with your ads, here with your ads, and then you'd show up here instead of Amazon. And though you might think Amazon would rank well for a lot of stuff, not necessarily the case. And this is a lot more niche and specific. And then, with content, you could have additional pages that are ranking in here for that. And you could also do video content that you post on YouTube that helps you rank here. And sometimes that'll end up showing up as a video in one of these spots from an organic perspective. So just a lot of opportunity for you to control that top space. So I'll send over the revenue impact with these 4 specific keywords and what would happen. And then you can get a quote from that company called iMark that I normally recommend for that. And then we talk through like content, because each of these pages would need a bit more content with the keyword utilized in like the description. It also obviously you want to make sure that's in the title, which a lot of them are already, but you just want to make sure that it's kind of all in the front as well as the back end. And so I'll show you in Shopify where we make sure that happens. So, yep.